Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Google Pay updated, your Rupay Debit card handy, and your phone number registered with the issuing bank. Open Google Pay and tap payment methods to start adding a card. Enter the 16-digit card number, expiry date, and CVV exactly as on the card. This ensures bank validation. Once done, select the bank if prompted. Google Pay will send a verification SMS from your device. Make sure SMS permission is granted, so the app reads the OTP automatically. After entering card details, you'll receive an OTP or app-generated challenge from the bank. Respond quickly. If automatic SMS reading fails, type the OTP manually. This confirms ownership. Next, accept bank and Google Pay terms and create or confirm your UPI transaction PIN when requested. This secures payments. Once verified, Google Pay shows the Rupay card as linked. Also, make sure NFC is enabled for contactless payments. Without NFC, you can still use in-app payments but not tap to pay. To finish, perform a small payment or check balance to confirm the Rupay card works inside Google Pay. If the card doesn't appear or transactions fail, remove the card and re-add it. Sometimes re-entering details clears validation issues. If OTPs or 3D secure prompts are blocked, call your bank to enable online transactions and SMS OTPs. One key troubleshooting tip: clear Google Pay cache, reboot the phone, then try again. This often resolves lingering permission or session errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.